Let me ask you something really quick. When was the last time you walked through a garden center and actually looked at those beautiful outdoor lights? The ones sitting in the fancy displays near the front with the little white price tags that made you stop and do a full double take. $30, $50, $80 for a set of 4 lights. And you stood there doing the mental math, telling yourself maybe next season, maybe when the budget actually allows for it. So you put them back on the shelf, walked out of the store, and your garden stayed dark another summer. Sound familiar? I need you to hear this right now because it changes everything. You have been completely overpaying for outdoor lighting your entire life, and nobody told you there was another way. Every single hack I am showing you in this video costs $2.50, not per box, not per set, per individual light. And I need you to stay until hack number 10, because that one specifically is going to make you stop everything, rewind it, and watch it again. That is a promise. Here is what most people completely miss about Dollar Tree's solar lights. They are sitting on that shelf right now at $1.25 each, and by themselves they look plain, functional, sure. Gets the job done in a basic way. But a plain solar stake in the ground is not stopping anyone's eye, and it is definitely not getting anyone to slow down in front of your house. The real transformation, and I want you to hold on to this thought for the whole video, is in the pairing. Every hack today uses that exact same $1.25 solar light as the foundation. One additional item, one more $1.25, and what you end up with looks like something you spent real money on. Boutique garden store money. That is the concept. That is the game. All 10 hacks, all rooted in that exact same idea. So let us get into it. Hack 1. Solar globe lights. These are the ones that go viral without fail every single time someone posts them online. There's a reason for that, and you are about to see it. 2 clear plastic serving bowls from Dollar Tree, the round kind you would normally bring to a potluck, and 1 solar stake light. You place the solar light inside one of those bowls face up, run a clean line of strong adhesive around the rim, and press the second bowl down on top, matching ridge to ridge. That's the complete build, but here's what actually matters. When the sun goes down and that solar light kicks on inside those sealed bowls, it stops looking like Dollar Tree plastic entirely. It looks like a glowing frosted orb sitting in your garden, the kind of thing that shows up in high-end outdoor living catalogs. Spray a mist of frosted glass paint on the inside of both bowls before assembling them, and the light softens into something genuinely beautiful, warm, diffused, and atmospheric. Line 3 of these down your garden path, and I will tell you right now that your neighbors are going to knock on your door and ask what brand they are. $2.50 each. Hack 2. Solar candlestick lights. This one breaks people every time. Dollar Tree sells tall, elegant candlestick holders, the kind that genuinely look like something from a farmhouse table setting. And the transformation here is so simple it feels almost unfair. Remove the stake from your solar light, hot glue the light head on top of the candlestick, and you have an outdoor solar candle that recharges itself every single day. No open flame, no replacing batteries or candles ever. The panel sits there quietly all day, and when the sun drops, those candlesticks glow completely on their own. Set 4 of them down the center of an outdoor dining table with some trailing faux greenery between them, and the whole scene looks styled, intentional, and completely gorgeous. Spray paint them matte black for a modern, minimalist garden look, or leave them as aged gold for a warm cottagecore vibe. Either direction this hat goes, it works. Fair warning, though, you will make these once and immediately want them on every surface you own outside. Hack 3. Solar vase lights. No tools, no glue. Almost no effort at all. That is this hack in its entirety, and it still manages to be one of the most beautiful results on this list. Grab a glass vase from Dollar Tree, remove the stake from your solar light, and drop the light head directly into the vase opening. It just sits there on its own, nothing holding it in except gravity and the natural width of the opening. At night, that glass vase catches the glow and lights up completely from the inside like a handcrafted lamp. But here is the detail that pushes this from cute to genuinely stunning. Take an oil-based marker and draw something on the glass before you place the light. Botanical shapes, leaves, dandelion seeds mid-flight, delicate vines curving up the sides of the glass. When the solar light shines through that hand-drawn design in the dark, it looks like illuminated art, like something you commissioned, like something expensive. Nobody walking past that vase is thinking Dollar Tree. Nobody. Hack 4. Solar mason jar lanterns. For the person who loves a warm, lived-in cottage garden feeling, this one is going to become your new favorite thing. A Dollar Tree mason jar with a decorative open center lid, and your solar stake light with the stake removed. Attach the solar head to that lid facing downward into the jar, and you have a working lantern. The panel charges in full sun all day, and when the light comes on at night, that jar fills with a warm glow that is softer and more inviting than anything a candle produces. Hang them on shepherd hooks going down your garden path. Stack 3 on your porch steps in different sizes going from small to large. Tuck them into garden beds between plants. Wrap the glass in jute twine or a strip of burlap, and they look handmade in the best possible way, like something you would find at a craft market for $25. The part that makes this truly satisfying is that these require absolutely nothing from you after you build them. They just work. Every single night, automatically, for free. Hack 5. Solar hanging candle jar lanterns. Close your eyes for 1 second and picture your garden after dark. Soft amber glowing jars hanging at completely different heights from tree branches, pergola beams, and shepherd hooks scattered throughout the space. Now open your eyes, because that is exactly what this hack creates, and it takes under 5 minutes to build one. Dollar Tree hanging candle jars already come with a wire handle attached. That is the key. Remove the solar stake, use a strong adhesive to attach the solar light head to the top of the jar with the light facing down inside, cure it fully, and hang it. The wire handle does all the work. The jar does the rest. At night, that glass catches the solar glow and throws light outward in every direction in the most organic, ambient way. Make 5 of these in different jar sizes and hang them at varying heights through your garden. The layered visual effect this creates after dark is the kind of thing that makes people stop their car in front of your house to look. That is a real outcome. That is what this hack actually does. Hack 6. Solar planter pathway lights. People always scroll past this one, and it is genuinely one of the most clever builds on the list, so I want to spend a real moment on it. Grab a Dollar Tree plant pot, any size, any color, any style you love, and a solar stake light. Wedge a block of floral foam inside the pot, stake the solar light down into the foam so the head clears the rim, and fill the remaining space with decorative rocks to add stability and weight. What you have now is a solar light that needs no ground to stake into, can sit on any surface, can be repositioned anytime you want, and looks from every angle like a complete, polished garden accent. The mechanics are completely hidden inside the pot. All you see is a clean, intentional-looking light rising out of a decorative planter. Put 6 of these along your front walkway, and the whole entrance of your home completely changes after dark. Spray paint the pots matte black for a sleek modern edge, leave them in natural terracotta for an organic garden aesthetic. Either way, nobody connects it back to a Dollar Tree plant pot. Hack 7. Solar faux tiki torches. This one is pure fun, and I genuinely want you to commit to making a full set because the result is worth it. Dollar Tree sells broomsticks, and Dollar Tree sells solar lights, and here's the thing absolutely nobody tells you. The hollow handle of a Dollar Tree broomstick is almost the exact right diameter for a solar stake. Pull the end cap off, slot the solar stake in, push the broomstick into the soil, and you have a standing solar torch. If you use one of Dollar Tree's faux flame solar lights, the ones with the warm orange flickering LED designed to look like a real flame, on top of that broomstick handle, from a normal viewing distance, it is convincing enough that people look twice. Line 5 of these around the perimeter of your patio for a summer evening, and the energy of that entire outdoor space shifts into something resort-like, something intentional, something that makes every person who sits out there want to stay. Total cost for 5 standing tiki torches, under $15. Go ahead and let that land. Hack 8. Solar wire basket hanging orbs. I am telling you right now, this is the hack people rush to Dollar Tree for before the video even finishes playing. Take 2 wire hanging baskets from Dollar Tree and zip tie them together opening to create a full round sphere. Place solar fairy lights or a small solar light inside the orb with the battery pack tucked and hidden at the center. Then begin hot gluing faux leaves, eucalyptus, and garden foliage to the outside of the wireframe until the metal is mostly covered in green. What you end up with is a living-looking, glowing garden orb.
At night, the light filters through the gaps between leaves and through the wire, and the whole thing breathes with this layered, soft, natural glow that does not look manufactured at all. Build 3 in slightly different sizes. Hang them together at different heights from the same tree branch or pergola beam. The visual depth and movement this creates in a garden after dark is something you genuinely have to stand in front of to fully appreciate.
Hack 9. Solar paper lantern lights. For the dreamers and the romantics on this list, this one is for you. Dollar Tree sells round paper lanterns, and they are the perfect vessel for a solar light because paper is exactly the right material for diffusing a warm glow into something soft and ethereal. Run floral wire through the top of the lantern, suspend your solar light inside so the panel catches light at the opening throughout the day, and hang it. The paper catches the glow at night and radiates it outward in the most flattering ambient way. No harsh edges, no direct beam, just soft, warm light that makes everything around it look beautiful. Hang 3 of these from a single tree branch at different lengths. Use white lanterns for a clean, romantic garden setting. Use sage green, blush, or dusty rose for a full garden party aesthetic that looks genuinely styled. These lanterns retail for $20 and $30 each at specialty outdoor stores. At $2.50 a piece, you can make an entire collection of them for what one store-bought version costs. Hack 10. The Solar Glowing Tower. Please stop what you are doing right now because this is the one. This is the hack I told you to stay for at the very beginning, and I meant every word of it. Take Dollar Tree crystal-cut punch bowls and build a stacked tower by securing solar lights inside individual bowl globes and stacking them vertically on top of each other. Every single globe section glows independently. The faceted crystal-cut design in the plastic catches the light from inside and scatters it outward in this spectacular prismatic pattern all around the piece. Top the entire tower with a small arrangement of Dollar Tree faux florals tucked into the uppermost bowl and step back. What you are looking at is a glowing garden sculpture, a full design statement, the kind of outdoor feature that stops people mid-sentence. Place it at your front entrance and people will slow down. Center it on your patio as a focal point, and every person at every outdoor gathering will ask you about it. And when you smile and tell them every single piece came from Dollar Tree and the whole build cost under $5, that pause, that moment of complete disbelief is genuinely one of the most satisfying feelings you will have all summer. One small thing before you put any of these outside. Take clear nail polish and coat the plastic solar panel on top of every light you build. It takes 30 seconds per light and prevents the plastic from clouding over time, which is the single biggest reason budget solar lights start undercharging and dimming. That one step extends the life of every hack on this list by a full season. Also, Dollar Tree solar lights come in on the spring reset, and they are often completely gone before midsummer. When you spot them on the shelf, grab extra. You will absolutely use them. 10 hacks, $2.50 each. No wiring, no electricians, no power bills, and truly no reason your garden should be dark for another single night. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 10 are you making first? Drop the number in the comments below and tell me, because I genuinely want to know which one wins. And if you are already thinking about your next garden project, make sure you are subscribed, because what I have coming next week is going to give your outdoor space a transformation you are not expecting.